Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vishta Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to give the some of the blueprint and weightage of the marks and important questions and model question paper in the subject of the community health nursing for the MPHW first year students. Okay, in community health nursing according to whatever released by the intermediate of board, in that 7 units will be there, like here the like a seven, sorry 9 units will be there. So first one is the introduction to community health, second is identification management of health problems, third one is the communication health education, immunity, immunization, infection, environmental sanitation, communicable diseases, care of communicable diseases, community health problems, epidemic management, and to another disaster management. Okay, in this like a weightage of, if you see the second unit is the you may get the highest weightage of marks from this unit. Okay, identification and management of health problems, in this like a home visits will be there now. Okay, home visits a very important definition of the home visits, principles of planning, advantages, benefits of the home visits, and what are the equipments needed to carry the community health bag during the home visit. This is the topic, second unity. Okay, 15 marks weightage will be there, and after that introduction to community health, in that like dimensions of health and primary health services also very important. Okay, this is the first unit, this is the second unit, like yeah, and third, and like next come the immunity. Fourth unit is the immunity. In this like definition of the immunity, immunization schedule. Okay, and ILR they may ask. ILR is nothing but the ice-lined refrigerator, vaccine carrier, okay, cold chain system. These two topics are very important in this like fourth unit. Okay, immunity, immunization schedule, ILR, vaccine carrier, and cold chain system. These are very important topics. Sometimes types of immunity. Sometimes they may ask hyper. Okay, and next coming to the like environmental sanitation. In environmental sanitation, also safe water, sources of the water, what are the waterborne diseases, okay, disposal of waste, disposal of excreta. These are the very important topics. Okay, next coming to the community health problems, like universal precautions. Okay, in this universal precautions, community health problems, excuse me, methods of physical examination. These are two topics are very important. Last one, the disaster management. Disaster management also very important. Definition of disaster, types of disaster, like a man-made disaster, okay, natural disaster, okay, prevention of disaster, disaster protocol, triage method. These are all the topics are very important. Okay, so this is a blueprint of the excuse me. So this is the community exams blueprint. So based on this only you may get the okay, paper 1, paper 2 will be there. So section A, section A, section B, section A 2 marks questions, section B 6 marks questions will be there. Okay, so this here the like a 70% content and 30% syllabus also I will discuss in this concept of health. In the concept unit 1 I told no, like introduction to community health nursing. In this like three partitions will be there. In this like, but you have to write related topic is the health. So here the main important is the dimensions of health. Determinants also health is so deleted, no need of read. In this unit you have to read dimensions of health and primary healthcare services. All matter declarations, 8 elements will be there. Principles of it, like appropriate technology, intersectoral coordination, participation. Okay, these all the topics are very important in primary healthcare service. There are the two topics. Okay, dimensions of health and primary healthcare services. There are two topics are very important. Unit 1.1. Okay, so next come the concepts and structure. In this you have to read the rural and urban differentiation between the rural and urban community. It's a very important question. Okay, in this, and sometimes they may ask the family is written, but sometimes they may ask organization, or sometimes community, or sometimes like family, community, organizations, interviews, leaders. Some of the questions they may ask in this unit. Okay, in this like a survey. Okay, and sometimes they may ask a panchayat raj also. We can read it. Not that much important, but you know how to cover with the panchayat raj system functions. Okay, next coming to the third unit one. Third one is a community need assessment. Okay, in this panchayat raj you can write it, and remaining. Okay, okay, groups would import groups also important. Okay, next coming to community need assessment. In community need assessment, like nothing is not that much important. They may ask like methods are also important, not really, not that much important. Unit one, dimensions of health. Unit one you have to do dimensions of health. primary health services, Panchayati Raj, urban and rural community, differentiation problems and all. Okay. So in unit 1 what you have to read means here the dimensions of health. In unit 1 I am saying unit 1 dimensions of health is important. Primary health services only 2 marks important. Rural and urban community important. Okay, Panchayat Raj. Okay, and sometimes they mask community like a society, not society, community, family groups, they may ask. Okay, so in this community assessment nothing, not that much important. Okay, this is a unit 1 important questions. Next coming to this unit 2. So unit is a very very important unit, overall community health nursing. The second unit is a first and foremost important thing is the home visits. Importance, principles, planning, bag technique, equipment usage of bag and everything is important. It's clear. So no, this is not that much important, disinfection. But here you have to write the home visits. Importance, principles, planning is a very very important. Don't leave this unit and the home visits a very very important aspects. It's clear na? This is a very very important. Next coming to the national like health problems. In the health problems list out like a they deleted the national health problems. So in this also not that much important, but in unit 2 you have to read the unit 2 home visits are very very important. Okay, next coming to the unit 3. If you see the unit 3 also very very important, like communication means what, sharing of ideas, thoughts, views to one person or another person. It's known as communication types: formal, informal. Okay, face communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and channels of communication, TV, radio, magazine, different channels will be there, like a process of the communication. Sender will the send, like a sender will the send the message to the receiver with the help of the channels. This is a process of the communication. Okay, this is also important. Next, health education. Health education means what? Benefits of health education, like principles of health education, AVAIDs. AVAIDs are also very very important. Okay, in this, because like audio visual aids, benefits of the illiterate people also easily they can get the knowledge, they can aware the regarding what we are saying also based on the like ABAs. This is ABAs very very especially this ABAs are most useful while taking the classes for the student easily. They can fix in their brain for easily remembering. Okay, so this is the third unit also very very important, because second unit is very important, third unit also very very important. Next, community based rehabilitation is they may ask 2 marks questions like a rehabilitation means bringing back the rehabilitation, bringing back normal situation of the patient. This is a very very important question. Okay, so next coming to the like a third unit. In third unit, okay, already I discussed in third unit. Like a fourth unit is the infection. They may ask like a infection means definition of the infection, definition of the disease, classification, and like a classification is not that much. Incubation period is important. Okay, infection, incubation period, quarantine, isolation, epidemic, endemic, sporadic, pandemic. These are all important questions. Okay, next, immunity and body defense mechanisms. In this also not that much important. In this overall, if you see the immunity and body defense mechanisms, definition of the immunity, immunization schedule. Okay, definition of the immunity, immunization schedule. Okay, and next one is ILR, vaccine carrier, cold chain system. These are 5 topics are important. Okay, don't read remaining other topics. Okay, and if you know the immunization schedule, there only you can know the methods of administering vaccine, like a BCG, intradermal, TET, intramuscular, measles, subcutaneous. So there only they are giving the methods of administering vaccine. It's clear na? Okay, you have to thorough with the immunization schedule is a very very important. Next, unit 5th, we will see the unit 5th like a source of the water. Sources of the water. This question last year, before last year, the question this question is came. Okay, purification of water, large scale, small scale, boiling. Okay, this is all important. Okay, waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases are important. Okay, in environmental sanitation. Okay, sources of the water, purification of the water, waterborne diseases. These are very very important question. Next, coming to the disposal of excrete and waste. Okay, in the methods, like types of littering. Sometimes they may ask how we are disposing the waste. Okay, disposal of waste is important. Okay, that deleted the methods of excreta is deleted, but you have tried the disposal of waste, burial, incineration, landfilling. Okay, menu repeats, compost, like different purpose we are using. No, that you have can disposal of waste is very important. Okay, next unit is 6 is the introduction to communicable disease. Introduction to communicable, they may ask levels of prevention, primary level, secondary level, tertiary level, that you have to write now. That is a very important question. Sometimes they may ask incidence, prevalence. Incidence means new cases, prevalence means already old and new cases. Mortality means death rate, morbidity means sickness rate. They may ask 2 marks questions. Okay, in this you have to thorough with the like malaria is deleted, hepatitis B also deleted. You have to thorough with the diarrheal, worm infestations, leprosy, and TB. These are common health problems. No? These are you have to thorough in this. And one more, you have to know the all you have role and responsibilities of female health worker in preventing the communicable diseases. Okay, you have levels of prevention and role and responsibilities of multiple health. So you have to commonly this is the role and responsibilities is the common for all the diseases. It's clear, na? Okay. So next coming to the like care of communicable diseases in this only sixth unit only care of communicable diseases in this also this standard of safety precautions like universal precaution. This is very important. Isolation methods are also important. Standard safety precautions are very important. So only these two topics are important. Okay. So next coming to the like a sixth is finished. Okay, seventh one. If you see the seventh one in seventh one also not that much important like this practically this question is important. Okay, in this okay sorry in this vital signs is important. Okay, normal temperature, normal pulse, normal respiration, BP 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, 72 beats per minute, 18 to 20 beats per minute, 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury. This is the normal vital signs for the human beings. Okay, this question in this question is important. Next coming to epidemic management. In epidemic management you have to know the definition of the okay sorry okay definition of epidemic. Okay, causes of epidemic and role and responsibility. These are all the three definition, causes and role and responsibilities. Okay, and last disaster management is a very important question. Some definitely they may ask for the 6 marks questions for disaster management. Okay, definition of disaster, types of disaster, like a triage method. You have to keep it my triage method. Okay, in this disaster triage is nothing but the search and save the victims. Whoever injured, we can call it as the victims. In that search, not only searching the victims, we have to save the life of the victims also. Okay, how we can save based on the color coded system. Okay, color coding, tagging of the color codes. Okay, like red indicates if we will identify, we will tag the red color, it indicates emergency. Like a green, mild, yellow, red indicates severe, green indicates moderate, yellow indicates or yellow this is little bit confusion will be there. You can take it. Red indicates severe, green indicates moderate, yellow indicates mild, and black indicates death. Okay, but whoever doing the job in the disaster management situation like a cyclones, floods, earthquakes, different will be there. No? If there any victims, if we search based on the condition of the patient, okay, we have to tag this color coded system. So while referring the patient, by referring the victims to the hospital, based on this color code, easily we can send the patient. The red indicates we have to, the victims needs emergency. Okay, and green indicates no problem. You can 1 hour also he can if we will delay the treatment also he can we can save the life of the victim like that. Okay, death indicates no need of treatment. All a diet case now we can send to the march like that. Okay, this is a color code system is very important in the disaster management. Okay, and next coming to the this question paper. Okay, last year before last year question paper. This is a deleted question. Community assessment, 2 marks question, 3 marks principles of the rehabilitation, infection, pollution system, environmental sanitation, practices of the waiter, health assessment, epidemics. Okay, next different types of communities like rural community, urban communities, home visits, ASHA, 2 marks question, accredited social health activist, types of ABS, audio and visual aids. transmission of infection, immunization schedule, methods of waste disposal, preventive and control of HIV/AIDS. Okay, these are all the question papers. Clear? So this is a community health nursing paper one for the English medium students. So write the characteristics of the joint family. I told now like they may ask a family 2 marks question. Write the principles of home visiting, definitions of vitamin D, rehabilitation, cold chain system, sources of the water, viral sign, standard safety precautions, causes of epidemics, types of disaster, characteristics of rural community, malaria control. This malaria control program also deleted, no need of it. Types of AVS, explain one of immunization schedule, disposal of waste, prevention control of diarrhea. Okay, and role of MPHW in care of the like okay, in case of patient affected with communicable disease. And last one is explain about the management disasters. Okay, this is a question paper model. I have given the syllabus, important questions, deleted question, model question paper for you people. I hope this one is maybe helpful in last moment also. If you watch my video, you can focus what I am saying. If you focus in on this video, definitely it will be useful. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. All the best once again.